clear.
He's about, I think, about 13 inches long.
Wow.
And he's
How old do you think that guy is?
probably at least 4 years old.
Wow.
I read online
Well, these other ones got a lot bigger since you put them in there. That other one that right there, I don't know what they're called.
they're tinfoil barbs, and those two will actually get as big as him. And I read online they can live 8 to 10 years.
Well, that's a long time, eh?
Yeah.
Like some partiers.
These are the new guys. Their names are turquoise Sevrons. Oh, he just disappeared.
Yeah, I can't see it.
They
Yeah.
actually change colors.
Supposed to get old.
Oh,
If you look at them, he'll look leopard, and then they'll look tan.
okay.
From different, they actually do kind of change. See, the one over there looks leopard,
Huh.
and
Yeah.
they'll change.
For a while.
I think this will come out on here. Alrighty. Looks good.
And they had a remodel yesterday.
Yeah.
New plants.
Yep.
New rock.
There he is. There's Bob the fish. He's still doing good. What's the other guy's name? The one next to him?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, how about this one here?
I don't know.
Oh, so you just know Bob? Okay. Well, he was swimming all over before. Oh, there he goes. That's pretty exciting. I think we should give him something to eat.